going to be doing a basic AI video for the next 30 days, and today is day 2. Today we're going to be talking about what is machine learning, and machine learning is again a very important term when we talk about artificial intelligence. A simple difference: in traditional programming, a human writes every single rule for the computer to follow. But in machine learning, we don't have to write those rules, or, in other terms, some people would understand coding. Instead, we show the system thousands of different examples for the system or the machine to learn from them. It is as simple as the word machine learning. So if we take a software, for example, ChatGPT, and we realize we actually have seen over time, it understands and retains information. It has learned the patterns of our information and gives us those patterns and our answers according to that. So for example, if I have put in my AI server or ChatGPT that I am a lawyer and I work in a certain way and this is how I need things generated, which is later on we'll come on to it, is also known as prompt engineering, and what prompts you give it, that's how the machine and the software is learned. But that's for another video. So let's come back to it. As simple as it, machine learning. It learns the patterns, AI learns the patterns, and whatever information you're providing through typing or prompting, that is how it's going to learn. So I'm going to give you an example which is used in my practice as an immigration lawyer. If I'm doing a spousal sponsorship application and I want it likely to be approved, I would write 30 or 40 methods, or maybe even 10 methods, and say that, this is an application, and I would ask the bot or the AI bot to research on the fact that what do you think the officer would say. It would and I would also write that, in and out of the application, we need like a police clearance certificate that is mandatory. Okay, so we have the police clearance certificate. We have a few other documents which are important. And then probably it's going to generate some information and say that, okay, you know what? And if I go to another application and it's an outbound application and I've already given this information, or the information is already possessed in my AI chatbot, it's going to give me similar answers or better answers because it's learned those patterns. So sometimes what I do is I try and put in the situation of my client into the bot without using their names for privacy reasons, and then I ask the AI bot to give me those answers. So my AI process has learned that I am an immigration lawyer and that this is what is happening. So this is just a very small example for a lawyer for my personal work, and this is why AI tools can now review contracts, summarize cases, help with legal research. One important limitation of machine learning is that it can be good, it does get trained, but as we all know, AI does tend to hallucinate, because even if we're giving it patterns, it does not possess the human intelligence, so be careful of that. But in the next video, I'm going to talk about the difference between narrow AI and general AI, which you'll understand why I'm doing this concept after